I'm quickly going through right now and setting phantom powers and channels that I need them. And it's mainly those drum mics that have, so we're back on the M7C. I like to really heat up the mic pre's pretty good. You want to use as much of the mic pre as possible because really that's a digital analog to digital converter. So. Kind of hard to hear in this situation for y'all, but so that's the RE20 compared to the SM, the Beta 91 that's inside. That's the two of them mixed together. Sounds a little boxy to me. Okay, your snare drum, please. So if you want to let him know what you need in your monitor simultaneously, well, all right. Go with your snare. Let's see. I'm going to put a little, quickly add gate here. I'm just gaining it up as I watch my level here. Then I'm going to bring the So you can really hear the difference there between top and bottom. Switching the phase back and forth here between the top and bottom. And you can tell that with the amount of phase, it sounds considerably better. So, kick and snare together for me. Adjusting a limiter on the output group. I put the kick and snare into a mono group. And that way I can get that push-pull effect, the kick and snare being right there with each other. Get it real tight. And I can also control the dynamic range, and I have a meter that shows me very clearly what my overall level is.